We have another visitor today. This is Roma. She is a puppy. Chip knows she is a puppy and being very patient. He was planning to enjoy his bone, but looks like he became a bone holder involuntarily. He is waiting for the perfect timing to run away. But the puppy keeps following him. Chip is very patient. He is trying to sneak away. It doesn't seem like that was a good plan. Looking for a perfect spot to enjoy his bone all by himself. Showing the puppy, there is another bone here. And back to his favorite spot.